CPD Courses. Continuing Professional Development, or CPD, refers to the continuous process of developing your knowledge and capabilities through both formal and informal education. This includes all sorts of online courses, traditional workshops, conferences, and other types of private study programs. In fact, anything that goes beyond mandatory education and training is called a CPD activity. CPD Courses for Professional Developments is committed to provide the highest quality distance learning opportunities, fully endorsed by UK leading awarding bodies. All our courses are divided into bite-sized modules. This allows learners to fit their learning in their busy schedules. The learners complete an assessment after each bite-sized module. This way they complete their entire course step by step. When you study with CPD, there are no deadlines, no time restrictions, and no classroom visits required. You study in your own time and at your own pace, with full tutor support whenever you need it. We offer hundreds of fully endorsed CPD courses, delivered across multiple subject areas: accounting, management, business, supply chain, project management, travel and tourism, interior designing, event management, fashion, and many more. Take your CP to the next level with our fully endorsed CPD activities. Don't delay, start today. Contact us, info@cpdcourses.com, cpdcourses.com, facebook.com/cpdcourses, twitter.com/cpdcoursesuk.